So good afternoon to all. So we have all gathered here for a design thinking based discussion on smart home automation system. So we know that the automation system has become widely used in every home where all the systems are automated. So our light system, fan system, security cameras, and all these things are getting automated. But the challenges faced here is in traditional type of system when they are doing this manually, energy wastage is done, accuracy error will be produced. All these parameters has to be taken into consideration, and we have to design an efficient, smart home automation system where the cost is less, power is less, etc. So we are going to make use of Raspberry Pi and design a smart home automation system by overcoming these challenges, and we apply design thinking concept. So we know that design thinking is a way of problem solving by considering each and every needs of a human. Okay, so there are 5 stages: empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So here the activity which we are going to perform is role play. Okay, so Mari will explain the role of each and every student here to perform this activity. Yes.
So I am going to explain the role of each and every students who are involved in this activity. So first of all, Kumaran, who is acting the role of elderly people or busy professional. So he will experience our solution. Like he will face that what are problems he are facing without the home automation technique. So second thing, his name is Naveen. He is acting as the IoT system designer. Basically, he gets the insights from the user and he will clearly define that problem which we are going to solve. So then Nitin, who is the creative thinker of the team, who will give the ideas and multiple solutions to solve this problem. Like if their idea is too small or big, that is not at all a problem. Next, my role is the embedded system developer. So I will develop this product in the real time to to solve this solution. And the last, his name is Karthik. He's the tester who will test our product finally, like a user. So he will test the product and will give us some insights where we have to need improvement and which are the best in our product.
So, as Marisudan has conveyed, so the role of each and everyone in this activity is the Kumaran will initially play the role of user, that is, elderly person, who focus towards the empathy part. We will play the role of a design engineer who will define the problem statement. Nitin will play the role of innovator who will build the system design, and Ari will play the role of developer. Karthik will play the role of tester. So now we can start providing the empathy part.
So, first of all, talking about the elderly people. So, today's traditional home management, they struggle a lot in controlling the home appliances due to some of the reasons like their health, their memory, and their mobility. So, they find it very difficult around moving around the house and controlling the home appliances. And speaking about the working professionals, so they stay away from their home most of the time in a day, and they feel unsecure and not safe about their home situation when they are away from home. So the main concerns here is the energy wastage due to the manual control and the requirement for automation or remote control. And as I said about the working professional security and safety of the home. So these are the main concerns people have in today's time. So the idea will be settled. So, hello everyone. So, my role is in different path as an IoT systems. So, as Umaran said, I have taken a lot of survey from the elderly people who have overcome their illness as well as difficulties. So, what are the major problems they have faced? So, they want to tracking means the scalability of the product will be very less and it cannot cover as much as long distance to monitor their family events, etc. So the next is data transmission. So as earlier said, scalability plays a crucial role for transmission of data. So the data transmission also plays a significant role for the communication of what incidents have been took place by the elderly people. So the next is energy consumption. As Kumaran said, the manual energy, monitoring is requires a lot of energy. As we all know, to see IoT, it will reduce the IoT. It will reduce the consumption as well as it improves the scalability. Hi everyone, I'm playing as an innovator in design thinking process. So my role is design thinking process is to cover problem statement from the user and to innovate a smart way. That is, I am here to innovate and give solution to a home-based automation. That is, how I can make a home to monitor, think, and react. So I have taken three terms under this thing. One is comfort, and next one is safety, and third one is accessibility. So the first one is comfort. So for the comfort part, we are going to integrate smart switches which are controlled by our human voice. Say for example, if we place this sensor in our hall or a bedroom, the user can simply turn off the light, turn off the fan, etc. by using their voice commands. So this plays in comfort part. Next come safety. So for safety, we can include smart cameras, smart sensors placed in kitchens for gas detection, and smart medicinal SOS systems. So basically, we can include smart cameras which could detect if any fall or any mischievous activities like thief or any other fire incident sort of thing happens. So we can include local HDI systems just to detect all these activities. And next comes accessibility. Say, for example, if we forgot to turn off any light or a geyser or stove, etc., just by building a mobile application or a web application through remote access using online, we can able to control all the mechanical, electrical devices which will be present in our home. Next comes privacy. So by using a few protocol techniques like HTTPS or using a higher cloud storage services and higher firewalls, we can protect our primary user activity as well as our safety concerns because our live footage will be directed in the camera. So all these data have to be properly protected. As a developer, I have to include the whatever said by the innovator in this prototype to get it as a real-time product. So we have used the uh, Raspberry Pi as a centralized controller for making the decisions and perform the actions. Like to perform actions, we have used relay modules like the functions like switching on the light or off the light and controlling the fan. So, what for I will say an example. Like, I uses the EAR sensor to detect the motion of a person. So, according these, if some person motion is detected on a particular region, it will send data to the microcontroller, and it will decide the decision to if the to switch on the light automatically. So, for a user interface, we have created a mobile app or a web interface so that we can remotely control the appliances from anywhere. So, finally, as usual, whatever the innovators need, that are also. Hi, myself Karthik. I'm the Director for Smart Home Innovation. What I gained from this series. So you have created a very user-friendly application for very people. It was very nice. The accuracy was very high. And if I monitor something, we get a quick response. And the gas detection also very accurate because many elderly people are alone at home. So it is very useful.
So thus, as per our discussion, with the help of the Raspberry Pi microcontroller, relay, and other products which are conveyed by Mari, we can design an efficient smart home automation system where we have applied design thinking concept. So thank you all.